If you want to learn how to reset your game data on iPhone, just keep on watching because we prepared a step-by-step tutorial for you. For example, you want to reset your data on Monopoly Go on your iPhone. What you have to do first is open the application on your phone. You can also directly delete it by long pressing the icon and then pressing Remove App. However, if you only want to reset your data, just open the account or the application. And once the application or game is opened on your phone, look for the settings button or settings icon. Here on Monopoly Go, for example, press the three lines at the top right corner of your screen. And pressing these three lines will open this panel where you have to look for and press the settings icon or the settings button. Once you've pressed settings, you'll see here the option to delete your account. So just press the account deletion button. Once you press account deletion, this prompt will appear. So just press continue if you want to confirm that you want to delete your data on Monopoly Go. Pressing continue will redirect you to this page in a web browser where you have to fill in certain information for the deletion to continue. Once you've entered all necessary details, your game data on iPhone will be reset. And that is all for this video. If this helped you, don't forget to press like and subscribe. If you have more video suggestions, just put them down on the comment box below.